They're finally tearing down the building across the street from us to start putting something there. While I'm not stoked about the noise, it's kind of cool to see these things do their job. I would go out there, but it's, snowing. Yeah, also, these guys are out there when it's snowing. I think they're trying to, pull down the, metal beam. Oh, they are! Oh, look at it! Oh my god, do it! Oh!
Go, dude.
He's pulling himself towards it.
Yank that ish.
Oh my god.
Both of you, together. 1, 2.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're gonna try it together.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Did you hit the wrong thing, buddy?
Uh-oh. Oh, this is so cool. I'm gonna go to the other window so I can get a better view. Oh man, this is crazy.
Whack it. Come on, man. Don't be a wuss. Hit that. Oh, he's gonna blood out.
Is he? No, he's not.
Yes, he is. Watch him. Come here, you.
Oh, he's trying to get the other one down first.
He's shaking it loose.
Oh man, I want to be in one of those.
Well, they're trying to be calling.
Hey, bitch, shut up. Do it, man. Do it. Take it down.
You ever been in like the little kid version of that?
Yeah, like on the playground where there's sand and you're using that thing. Yeah. Oh man, it is just not coming down. He's pulling himself towards it.
Dude, I'm telling you, yank that beam in the middle towards you.
He has no traction because it's so gross outside.
Do it. Look at it.
Oh man.
Dude, he's freaking
Yeah, what's the other dude doing? Are you gonna help?